Mullin here from LePage here in Orangeville, another edition of Home Ownership by Design. Roy, question for you that we get asked periodically, or really we ask you, is if we have a house that's listed for sale and it's vacant, what are the ramifications of the insurance on the home during the period that it's vacant?
Okay, so vacancy, I gotta tell you, is a really big deal.
Right.
Okay. When a home is vacant, it's much more likely to suffer a loss, either from vandalism or water damage or even a fire. And insurance companies really don't like that at all. Now, every single insurance company, every policy has an exclusion for vacancy. And what the vacancy exclusion says is that after your home is vacant for 5 days or more, you lose coverage for vandalism, glass breakage, and water damage. So if you have a pipe rupture in the house, after it's been vacant for 5 days, it will not be covered.
What about if somebody's on holidays for a week or two?
Well, there is a difference between vacancy and a home that's unoccupied.
Okay.
And they do establish that very clearly in the policy. So you can go on vacation for even a month or two, and the house wouldn't be vacant.
Right.
Okay. So long as it's your intention to return to the home, then it would be unoccupied. But what we often see is a client sells the home, they move out before the closing date, or the new purchaser leaves it vacant for a week or a month or whatever after closing.
Right.
So it is a real, very big issue. So what you need to do, first of all, there's that issue with the first 5 days. Okay, so can't really do much about vandalism apart from making sure the doors are locked and somebody's checking the property. Same with glass breakage. And water damage, we want to make sure that we turn the water off and drain the lines and then continue to check the home to make sure that there's no issues there. But the bigger issue, there's the 5-day issue, but the bigger issue is that the policy excludes any losses at all that occur after 30 days of being vacant. So you can imagine that you buy your house today and 35 days goes by. If that house burns down, you would not have coverage at all. Unless you let your insurance company know.
Right.
Okay, so what you want to do, if there's going to be any vacancy period at all, is you want to let your advisor know, let him know how long it's going to be vacant and what your plans are, and then they can deal with that. They can put policies in place to take care of that for you.
Perfect. Excellent. Again, great advice. Thank you very much for your time today. Roy, Chopp, Cooperators Insurance. Thank you.